In this video, we're diving into ingenious inventions that you absolutely need to see. From futuristic gadgets to game-changing innovations that will leave you speechless. Whether it's next-level tech, life-enhancing tools, or jaw-dropping creations, these inventions are pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Get ready to be amazed by the brilliant minds shaping the future. Let's jump in and explore the most incredible inventions you won't believe exist. But first, take a moment to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you know first when we post new content. The E-Skimo is an innovative electric assist system designed to revolutionize ski mountaineering by enhancing ascent efficiency and reducing physical exertion. E-Skimo integrates advanced technology into traditional skis to provide a powered boost during uphill climbs. Each ski is equipped with a removable gearless hub motor and a lithium battery. A splittable rubber tread, akin to a miniature snowmobile track, is threaded through the ski's body to provide propulsion. The motor automatically engages during forward motion and disengages during descents or in the event of a fall, ensuring safety and efficiency. E-Skimo enables skiers to ascend slopes up to 80% faster while reducing muscle exertion by approximately 30%. At the summit, the assistive components can be removed in under a minute and stored in an included backpack, allowing for an unencumbered descent. The Komodo commercial model is a robust, all-terrain mobile power station engineered to deliver substantial energy capacity and versatility for demanding applications. Designed to operate in rugged environments, it offers a reliable power solution for industries such as construction, disaster response, and remote operations. Equipped with a 100 kilowatt-hour battery, the Komodo commercial model provides ample energy storage to support extended operations without frequent recharging. Enabled to handle substantial power loads and support a wide range of equipment and machinery. Built with mobility in mind, it features a standard towing capacity of 3,500 pounds, which can be upgraded to 6,000 pounds, allowing for the transport of additional equipment or resources. Designed for challenging terrains, the Komodo commercial model ensures that critical power is accessible even in the most remote or difficult-to-reach locations. The Miyamo is an innovative, six-legged, general-purpose AI robot. Miyamo combines advanced artificial intelligence with a unique design that resembles a walking stool topped with a lamp, drawing comparisons to the iconic Pixar lamp. Miyamo can think, act, and adapt to its environment using visual, audio, and motion cues. It interacts with users in real time, expressing emotions through its movements and illuminated head. Miyamo's aesthetic integrates seamlessly into home or office environments, serving both as a functional piece of furniture and an interactive robot. Its 6 wood-capped metal legs enable it to navigate spaces fluidly, mimicking the movements of a living creature. Miyamo can control lighting, movement, and other functions through voice commands, acting as a dynamic component of a smart home ecosystem. Miyamo is available for pre-order, with a tabletop version priced at approximately $3,500 and a full-sized model around $30,000. The Japanese sleep apparel system is an innovative wearable technology designed to enhance sleep quality by integrating advanced features into a comfortable, portable garment. This system aims to address sleep deprivation by providing a personalized sleep environment anytime, anywhere. The system includes a wearable device which tracks biometric data including sleep states, stress levels, and heart rate. This data is transmitted to a companion app, allowing users to monitor and analyze their sleep patterns. The headpiece is equipped with built-in headphones that play specially designed audio tracks with frequencies intended to facilitate relaxation and sleep. This feature helps isolate the user from external noise, creating an immersive environment conducive to rest. Incorporating light sensors within the headpiece, the system simulates natural light patterns to aid the sleep cycle, offering a novel solution for individuals seeking to improve their sleep quality in various environments. The Unitree G1 is a humanoid robot developed by Unitree Robotics, renowned for its agility and versatility. Recent advancements have enabled the G1 to mimic complex movements performed by elite athletes, marking a significant milestone in robotic motion capabilities. To achieve these sophisticated movements, researchers have introduced the ASAP framework. This two-stage process involves pre-training and simulation, which utilizing retarget human motion data. Motion tracking policies are developed in a simulated environment and real-world adaptation in which the policies are then deployed on the actual robot, where real-world data is collected to train a delta action model. This model compensates for discrepancies between simulated and real-world physics, ensuring the robot's movements are both accurate and feasible. This methodology allows the Unitree G1 to replicate signature moves of renowned athletes like LeBron James and Cristiano Ronaldo, pushing the boundaries of robotic agility and coordination. The CenWatch is an innovative smartwatch designed to revolutionize user interaction with digital devices through intuitive mid-air gestures. This wearable device leverages advanced technologies to offer seamless control over various platforms, including smartphones, computers, smart home systems, and augmented reality (AR) glasses. Equipped with a LiDAR scanner on the underside of the wrist, CenWatch employs near-infrared lasers to detect the three-dimensional positions of all 5 fingers with 1 mm accuracy. This allows users to perform predefined gestures, such as tapping, swiping, scrolling, and even typing on a virtual keyboard, without physical contact with a screen. To initiate control, users simply raise their arm as if checking the time. The device automatically detects this posture, activates the gesture recognition system, and connects to the paired device, streamlining the user experience. CenWatch is available for pre-order with an expected retail price of $499. The BrainCo Intelligent Bionic Leg is an advanced prosthetic limb designed to enhance mobility and adaptability for individuals with lower limb amputations. This bionic leg integrates cutting-edge sensors and artificial intelligence to provide users with a more natural and responsive walking experience. The bionic leg utilizes a neural interface that detects electrical signals from the user's residual limb muscles. These signals are interpreted by embedded processors to control the prosthetic's movements, allowing for intuitive and seamless operation. Equipped with AI algorithms, the prosthetic adapts to various terrains and walking speeds, providing stability and comfort across different environments. This adaptability reduces the cognitive load on users, enabling a more natural gait. By providing real-time feedback and adaptive support, the prosthetic aids in physical therapy and rehabilitation processes, facilitating muscle strengthening and coordination. The RICTOR SKYRIDER X1 is an innovative electric vertical takeoff and landing vehicle that combines the functionalities of a motorcycle and an aircraft. The SKYRIDER X1 aims to redefine personal mobility by offering seamless transitions between ground and aerial travel. The SKYRIDER X1 features a 4-axis, 8-propeller system designed to enhance stability during flight. Its chassis is constructed from carbon fiber composite and aviation-grade aluminum, ensuring a lightweight yet durable structure. On the ground, it functions as a street-legal electric moped, equipped with retractable wheels for smooth transitions between driving and flying modes. Capable of reaching a maximum flight speed of 62 miles per hour and 40 minutes of flight time. With a price tag of $60,000, the SKYRIDER X1 is equipped with automated takeoff and landing functions, as well as automatic route planning that determines optimal flight paths based on set destinations. Power swap. Battery swapping is an alternative to traditional charging for electric vehicles, allowing drivers to replace a depleted battery with a fully charged one in a matter of minutes. This system eliminates long charging times and extends the usability of EVs by providing instant power replenishment. The driver enters a battery swapping station. A robotic system removes the depleted battery and replaces it with a fully charged one. After the driver leaves with a fresh battery, avoiding the need for traditional charging. Takes only 3 to 5 minutes, much faster than traditional fast charging. While fast charging infrastructure continues to grow, battery swapping remains a viable alternative, especially in urban areas and fleet applications. If automakers standardize battery designs, swapping could become a widespread solution for EV energy management. The Xerall Drone is a unique hybrid drone capable of both aerial flight and ground mobility, making it stand out from conventional quadcopters. Designed for versatility, it can seamlessly transition between flying like a drone and driving on the ground like a remote-controlled car. Unlike traditional drones, The Xerall Drone can operate in both air and land environments. Its wheels double as propellers, allowing it to transition smoothly from ground mode to aerial mode. Designed for intuitive handling, making it user-friendly even for beginners. Useful for scouting areas where flying alone may not be practical. Made from impact-resistant materials to handle rough terrain. The Xerall Drone is a great example of innovation in drone technology, offering a unique combination of flight and ground movement that expands its usability beyond traditional quadcopters. And that wraps up our list. Which of these blew your mind the most? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more awesome content, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.